So we're done unboxing the Spider-Man brand new day. Happy Meal toys. And of course, there's more. Since there's an adult meal. And here's the Spider-Man collectibles. Yan. Mas maganda to. So tara, let's start! So here's the first adult meal. Yan. So here's the side hang Spider-Man. Yan, ang cool ng box. By the way, hindi siya blind box. So, yun ang maganda. So, to avail this, you just need to avail one meal with drinks and add 165 pesos. Yan. And it comes with three parts. Here's the base. Uy, may logo ng Spider-Man here. Marvel Studios. Wait lang ah. Yan, okay. Marvel Studios Spider-Man brand new day exclusively in theaters. Okay. And next part, uy, is the golden arches or the McDonald's logo signage. Yan. Ano nga man tawag dito? Pylon ba tawag doon? I forgot. And, uy, wala siyang photo card. And of course, here's Spider-Man. Para siyang bubblehead, but not. Para siyang chibi. Oh, di ba para siyang chibi Spider-Man? Ang cute. Cool, no? Buti na lang hindi siya bubblehead. Uy. And of course, i-assemble natin siya. So, of course, yung base muna. Ang ganda niya. Ang laki. Then, sabit na si Spider-Man here. Ooh, cool. Wait, mali. Basta lang natin siya tinusok eh. So, ito siya. So, of course, nakahawak siya sa post. Yan. Yun. So, here's the first toy. Ang ganda. So, the side hang is Spider-Man. Yeah. So, for this toy, wala siyang gimmick. It's just a display. Yan. Sa mga desk nyo or somewhere, diba? And it's a nice collectible, by the way. And here's the side-by-side comparison ng backpack and nung toy. Now, 165. Diba? It's cool. Okay. So, one down and three more to go. The second one. So, it comes with this color blue box. Ang ganda, no? Ang ganda nung design niya. Cool, diba? At ang laki. First time tayo nagkaroon ng ganitong design. Yeah. So, here's the hammock. Hammock Spider-Man. So, again, siguro it comes with three parts lahat. Kasi, diba, it's syempre may base, may yun. O, ang naiba naman dito, may ganito siya. Yun. So, may web, yung pinaka-signage logo niya. And of course, the base. Yan. Same lang naman. Meron siyang Spider-Man universe. Or, I mean, Spider-Man brand new na nakalagay. Wait, so, paano siya? Wait nga. Ito naman eh. Okay, so, lalagay niyo lang siya sa harapan. So, medyo bendable naman yung plastic. So, don't you worry, hindi siya mag-i-snap. And medyo matigas lang. Yan. And for the toy, oh, ang cute. Ala, cute ng posing niya. By the way, here's a closer look pala. Napakita ko ba yung closer look ni Spider-Man dito? Ganda. And wait. Diba? Ang cool lang. Pero nakakamiss pag may gimmick to lalo, no? For this one, ilalagay nyo lang siya dito, I think. Wait, nasan ba yung Okay, so for this toy, wala siyang any like hole like this one. So, ipapatong nyo lang siya dito and yung pinaka-legs niya nakaipit sa web. Yeah. So, para lang siya naka-higa or like nagsiswing. Yan. Okay. Alang ganda. Cool. Ang cool nito. Grabe. And next toy, here's the Crouching Spider-Man. Uy, mukhang cool din to ah. Ang ganda. Yan. So, let's check the Crouching Spider-Man. Yan. Of course, here's the base. Uy, putol yung Golden Arches logo ah. And, of course, it's Spider-Man. Yan. So, ngayon napapaisip na kayo kung anong uunahin nyo agad, diba? So, pero if you have the budget, complete it agad kasi baka magkaubusan. At ang ganda nito, 'di ba? Yan. And looking forward to, meron na laging adult meal and yung mga Happy Meal na ganito. Para kasi mas yung adult meal actually mas maganda talaga yung adult meal eh. Right now kasi dati yung Happy Meal maganda na agad eh. Anyway, bago ko pala ipasok doon, so here's a closer look of Spider-Man. Yan. So here's the hindi hammock tuloy, crouching Spider-Man. So may hole siya here, ipapasok nyo lang siya dito. Okay? So wait lang. So medyo matigas lang to, but kaya naman. Yan, naipasok naman siya. Ang cool lang din ito. Pero cute lang din, hindi na nila masyado in-extend kasi pag in-extend na lang, taas masyado. Diba? Pero mas cute para at least pantay-pantay lang yung mga size nila, diba? Cute. Diba? Pantay-pantay lang. Kasi pag dito pa nakalagay, masyado na mataas. Anyway, and here's the last one. So here's the upside down is Spider-Man. Yan. Ang ganda ng box. Nakakatuwa talaga yung box. Okay, so here's the base again. Oh, same lang siya nung Golden Arches logo. And of course, here's the figure. Yan. And masasabi mo talagang for adults siya kasi most likely mga adults toys, wala masyadong gimmick talaga. 'Di ba? So it's a statue lang in a figure mostly ganun. And mga points of articulation lang talaga. And dito naman ilalagay niyo lang siya here. Okay? O, 'di ba? Hindi na naman natin tinignan. So better tignan niyo rin siya. So pasok dito. 'Yon. Oh, yung ganda yan. Ay, ito ang maganda dito, gumagalaw. Pwede siya mag-swing-swing. Oh, 'di ba? So yan, ang cool nito. Natuwa naman ako dito. Yan. So that's the 4 Spider-Man figures. See, ang ganda. So just a recap, here's the Spider-Man side hang. Next up, here's the Spider-Man hammock. Ang ganda nito, no? Nakahiga siya sa swing na web. And here's the crouching is Spider-Man. Ang ganda. Para siyang, imagine no, kung nakalagay siya sa mismo McDonald's store, tapos may Spider-Man doon. Uy, magandang hirap mamili. And lastly, here's the upside down is Spider-Man. Oh, pili na. Anong pinakamaganda? Ang ganda lahat. Pero for me, sige. Actually, for this one, sige, i-ano ko na lang siya. I-rate ko from 4, 3, 2, 1. Or i-rank ko siya. So, may rank 4 would this one. Would this be? Yan. The side hang Spider-Man. Rank 4. Rank 3. Ito na lang. Rank 3 ito. So, here's the crouching Spider-Man. Rank 2. Sige, ito na lang din. See, upside down Spider-Man. And my top 1 would be the hammock is Spider-Man. Ang cool lang kasi nito nakahiga siya. Diba? Ang chill-chill. Pero yun nga lang, natatanggal siya sa higaan niya. But ang cool. Right? Oh. Anyway, we're done collecting all the Spider-Man adult toys or the Spider-Man figurines, and looking forward, kumuha na kayo agad kasi baka magkaubusan agad for this one. Diba? Maraming McDonald's collectors and there's a lot of Spider-Man fans out there. Anyway, that's all for now, Highlighters. We're done unboxing all the toys from McDonald's. And hopefully, nag-enjoy talaga kayo. And kindly comment down below kung ano man gusto nyo. I-unbox ko pa in the future. At kung meron kayo suggestion. Okay? And kindly comment down below rin kung ano mga nagustuhan yung toys for the set. Or anong top 1 nyo and then the like. Okay? So, don't forget to follow. And again, see you on the next highlight. Bye!